Understanding the dangers of credit cards. Are you aware that in the US, the average person has around 4 credit cards? Credit cards are a popular choice because they're more convenient than carrying cash, and they allow you to make purchases even if you don't have the money immediately available. However, be aware, credit cards can be a sneaky and dangerous trap. For most of us, it often starts with one credit card and a few simple purchases, but soon you find yourself with more cards. Using credit is so easy and convenient, you begin to use them without thinking of the consequences. It all happens so quickly, like a snowball growing as it rolls down a hill. Quickly you find yourself in a massive amount of debt and on the brink of financial ruin. Unfortunately, this scenario occurs way too often in our society. Currently, each American household is in over $7,951 in credit card debt and struggle to pay their bills monthly. So, what exactly is a credit card? It's a line of credit, which means it's money that you're allowed to borrow from the bank. Unlike a debit card, which uses the funds from your own bank account, a credit card allows you to use the bank's money for purchases. While credit cards offer certain advantages and benefits, it's crucial to acknowledge they have considerable risk. Especially being mindful that credit cards carry lots of fees and penalties. Let's start with the annual fee. This is money that you have to pay every year to use the credit card. It could be zero, but it could also be several $100s. It depends on the type of card you get. The average fee is $85. Another fee, APR. This is the annual percentage rate. This is the interest the bank charges you on the money you borrow if you don't pay off your balance each month. Credit card rates are often very high. The average APR is 20%. The late fee. This is a fee charged to you if you are late with a payment. The fee is usually about $45. The cash advance fee. This is a fee that you have to pay when you withdraw cash with a credit card at an ATM or bank. It is usually around 3% of the money withdrawn, plus a host of other fees. Getting a cash advance with a credit card is a horrible idea because it's extremely expensive. And the fees don't stop there. There's the over the limit fee. This is a charge for each time you go over your credit limit. For example, if you were approved for a credit line of $1,000 and you go over by $1, you will be charged this fee. The fee ranges from $40 to $70. Lastly, the foreign transaction fee. This fee occurs when you make a purchase in a foreign country. It's about 2% of the purchase. Besides being feed to death, how can you avoid becoming a victim of credit card debt? Here are a few tips. First, don't buy anything that you don't already have the money to pay for. If you can't pay your credit card back immediately, it is wise not to make the purchase. Tip 2, budget and track. Always keep track of your credit card balance. Know what you've spent and what you can spend. The final tip, limit the number of credit cards. Avoid signing up for the tempting credit card offers that you will be inundated with. They are traps. One card is enough. In conclusion, navigating the world of credit cards is akin to a dangerous tightrope walk. You must balance your purchases with the knowledge that the plastic isn't magic or free cash. The reality is far from it. As you have learned, credit cards can be dangerous and come with an abundance of fees and penalties, ready to ensnare the spender.